Hello everyone, it's Tutor Nick. Welcome to Lesson 28. The solutions to Lesson 27 are linked in the description below. In this lesson, we're going to learn some more language that's used for ordering food in restaurants and cafes. But before you do that, you should download the document 028 Instructions and 028 Lesson. Sometimes in restaurants, there are dishes on the menu that we don't know. It's good to know how to ask the waiter to explain them to us. For example, there may be something to which we are allergic. We can ask for help in different ways. We can ask, for example, what is Mexican chicken? What is Mexican chicken? Or we can ask, what's in the house special? What's in the house special? Or if we want to be really clear, we could say, excuse me, could you tell me what's in the house special, please? In exercise 1, you will use these phrases to ask the waiter to explain the items on the menu, the dishes on the menu. When you've written your questions, if you have, you should speak them out loud. If you can record it, this is better, because then you can correct your mistakes if you made any. Try this now before you go to exercise 2. Now play track 1. What kind of question has a rising intonation? What kind of question has a falling intonation? Do you want dessert? Can I take your coat? Where do you want to sit? What would you like as a starter? Circle the word up or down. Before you listen to track 2, look at the questions A to H and tick your choice. Remember the rule you've just learned. Could I have a menu, please? What do you recommend? Do you have a set menu? What soft drinks do you have? Can I have the bill, please? Is service included? What specials do you have today? Where's the toilet, please? Listen to track 2 again and speak your answers using the intonation you've just learned. If you've done the exercises, well done. If there's a restaurant or cafe near you and someone there that speaks English, maybe try out your new phrases. Sometimes when you try your new language, people find your pronunciation and intonation funny. But keep practicing and soon they will be admiring your progress. Remember that pronunciation and intonation vary across the world. So there is no absolutely right or absolutely wrong pronunciation. So don't worry. Enjoy. See you soon. Bye-bye.